Shit, my laptop not working again. What happened? I don't know, it's been like that for the past few days.
Yeah, just throw away and buy a new one. I heard there's a new laptop model that just came out. You want to consider buying that?
Yeah, I think I'll do that. Because we need to submit this project soon.
Hey look, there's a bin. You can throw your spoiled laptop here.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, stop! What are you doing?
Bring up my laptop.
No, don't throw your laptop here. You should throw it in the e-waste bin.
What's that?
Come, let me tell you more about e-waste. Let's go.
So, what is electronic waste? Electronic waste, or e-waste in short, refers to any kind of electrical and electronic equipment that has been discarded. Common examples include desktops, refrigerators, laptops, smartphones, and digital cameras.
So, what is the issue with e-waste? E-waste comprises of a multitude of components which includes toxic substances such as lead, mercury, cadmium, lithium, and PVC plastics. All of these have an adverse impact on the environment if not handled properly. According to a study done by the National Environmental Agency in 2016, 60 million kg of e-waste was generated, and this amount is the equivalent weight of 220 A380 aircrafts. Yet, only 6% of this is recycled or disposed of properly.
So, how does it affect the environment? E-waste causes great impacts on the environment. First of all, air can be contaminated by e-waste, primarily when e-waste is transported to countries where recycling processes are poorly regulated, and this is typical in informal economies. In these economies, e-waste burning is often carried out unregulated or under-regulated, which releases fine particles like hydrocarbons. These particles can travel hundreds if not thousands of miles and bring about negative consequences to human health, such as cancer. As for the effects on water, when electronics are not properly disposed, the heavy metals such as lead, barium, mercury, and lithium contained in the electronics will seep into soil and groundwater, contaminating valuable resources like water and also killing marine and freshwater organisms.
Lastly, the effects on soil. When e-waste is disposed in regular landfills, both heavy metals, lead, arsenic, cadmium, and others, and flame retardants in e-waste can leach directly from the e-waste into the soil, causing contamination of underlying groundwater or contaminating crops that may be planted in that soil now or in the future.
So, now that we understand the effects of improper disposal of e-waste on the environment, what can we do to protect our environment? One way is to opt for more environmentally friendly electronics, such as products with Singapore Green Label. These certified products meet stringent standards in being environmentally friendly.
Another way is to dispose e-waste into e-waste recycling bins that can be found around Singapore. There are various recycling bins, such as the StarHub Renew bins, Singtel's e-waste recycling bins, and ink and toner cartridge recycling bins collecting different types of e-waste. The e-waste collected will then be sent to proper recycling facilities where strict safety and environmental standards are adhered to.
On top of that, we can simply play a part by minimizing our e-waste. Think twice before purchasing new electronic devices like phones, just because of a small glitch, or just to get the latest model. We can extend the life of our electronic devices by not overcharging them, keeping them clean, or buying a case to protect the devices.
In conclusion, improper disposal of e-waste can cause detrimental effects on the environment, such as water and air pollution. However, there are measures put in place in order to reduce these impacts on the environment. Some of these measures include the production of environmentally friendly products, the implementation of recycling programs as well as recycling bins all over Singapore, and last but not least, self-responsibility. So, what are you waiting for? Let's minimize